Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Arif. In this video, we are going to see the structure or the surf of different Arabic words, and under that, we are going to see how the words change their forms according to different situations. So let's go to our next slide. On this slide, on this right hand side column, I have defined the scales of the Arabic words, and towards the left left hand three columns, I have defined some Arabic words and their different forms. So let's start with the first Arabic word. This is akhir, and akhir is actually a fail. Akhir is actually something which is at the back, which you are going to put at the last or the at the back end, or the thing which you are going to put in a delay. Like once you are going to put something at the back end, it is going to get delayed. So in that sense. And next thing is khatam. Khatam is actually a seal or a stamp, and that, like, khatam is actually that mark. Don't confuse khatam with that tool which is going to put the seal. Khatam is actually the mark which once you are going to put a seal, the mark which you are going to see on a paper or a object. So that seal is actually khatam. Khatam is actually something which you are going to verify and then seal it, and then to close it actually, remember that as well. This is going to close or conclude something. And then we have nahi. Nahi is again something which is going to stop something or end something. So nahi is actually that limit or that stoppage which is at the end. This is actually something which you are going to put at the back, or which is going to come at the last, because it is going to get delayed. So there is a difference between this and this. This is also some limit, stoppage, or end. And then these all three are actually the three-lettered word on the scale of fail. These two are actually nouns, and this is actually a verb. Next thing is file scale. File scale is khatam. Khatam is going to become khatam. There is an alif between tha and ta, and this is a subject noun, and this is actually a ring. In the older eras, probably the kings used to use their rings to put the seals on their different belongings for verification, and that's where it is a khatam is actually a ring or the tool which is going to put the stamp or the seal on something, on a paper or anything, in order to verify and conclude or close. So this is, then again this file scale comes, and which makes this akhir into akhir. So remember, on this alif this is different, on this alif this is different. So this is akhir, this is akhir, and akhir is a file adjective, and akhir is actually which is going to delay something or put at the back end, put at the end or put at the back. And then we have, from this file we have this phyla scale, and then nahi would become nahiya, and nahiya is something which is like concluding or ending in that sense. And then we have khatma. Khatma is again verify and closing or concluding on something. Then we have akhra. Akhra is like coming at the back, or which is going to get delayed, or which is at the last, which is being put at the back or at the end or at the last. And then we have from nahi, this on this scale mutfail, nahi would become mutnahi. Mutnahi is like something which is finite, or which is like stopped, or which is like ended. So in that sense it is there. And then we have this maf'ul scale, maf'ul, and then our khatam would become actually makhtum. Makhtum is actually now a thing which is going to get sealed. So on the thing where you are going to put your stamp or seal, that thing is going to called makhtum. So khatam is going to put a seal, the khatam on something, and then on the thing where the khatam is going to get put up, that thing is going to called makhtum or sealed one. So khatam is actually a sealer, khatam is a seal, and makhtum is the sealed thing. And then we have fa'il scale. Fa'il is going to make actually this akhir into akhir. Akhir is again something which is going to be put at the back or at the end. So things are going to get delayed. And then we have tafeel. Tafeel is going to make akhir into takhir. Takhir is again something which is going to get delayed, put at the back end or put at the end. And then we have the fall scale. Fall is actually amplifying noun. So naha is actually the end or that limit. And khatam is actually also something which is going to get concluded and verified or finished. And then we have fala scale, and fala is going to make this fall is going to become fala, and neha is going to become nehaya. Nehaya is again something which is like at the end or which is like finished. So that sense. And then anha is on the scale of af'al. So this is a noun. Anha is again something which is like concluded or finished. Ihtam is also in the scale of afal, but ihtam is actually those seals or those stamps. It is actually a plural form. And then we have from afal, this scale becomes aftal, and the aftal is going to make anha intaha. Intaha is like end, or like that stoppage, or like that finite limit. That is intaha. Ikhtam is like the ending or the conclusion with verification. And then actually this word is not there. You guys can exclude this word. I forgot to delete this word. And then we have this from nahi. This becomes nahiyan, and nahiyan is some amplified noun, some disturbance noun, or some tail noun. But the thing is that it is something which is being stopped or ended. And then we have manhi, and manhi is like a game which is going to get, which is completed or which is concluded. In that sense we are going to use moher. Moher is something which is going to put in a delay at the back or at the end. And then we have the muntahi. Muntahi on the scale, manhi is actually on the scale of mifal, like moher. And from mofil we are going to get muftail. Muftail is going to make this manhi into muntahi, and muntahi is again some sort of a uh, adjective. But remember, this muntahi is actually muntaha, like sidratul muntaha. So this is like the place which is at the end. So in that sense we are going to use at the limit, like at the final limit, which is the place that is going to be muntaha. So this is actually, we speak it as a muntaha, not muntahi. And then we have nahiya, and nahiya is again like ending or stoppage. And then we have akhira, and akhira is also on the scale of fela. These two both are on the scale of fela, and both are nouns. And akhira is again which is being delayed, which is coming at the end, or which is at the back, which is being put at the back. And then we have afal. Afal also a verb, and nahi is going to become anhi. Anhi is again stoppage or ending. Akhtam is again sealing something, concluding something by verification. And then we have tafil. Tafil is again, once we are going to put a ta before fail, it is going to, the scale is going to become tafil. Tafil is actually a noun, and nahi is going to become tanhi. Tanhi is again stoppage or the ending. And then we have takhir. Takhir is again delay, something which is going to be at the end or at the back. And then we are going to have from the tafil, we are going to have mutafil. Mutafil is the adjective, and takhir is going to become mutakhir. Mutakhir is again delayed thing, or thing at the end, or thing at the back. So now we are going to conclude this, and remember this thing is the seal which is going to conclude after verification. Like in Quran there is a verse that Allah is going to put the khatam on the hearts of the some not good people. There it is going to get used, so that seal is going to actually block their hearts. Okay, and then then khatam is actually somebody who is going to seal something, or some tool which is going to seal something, like a ring or like a man. So it can be used for a man, or the man going to use a tool to seal something, put stamp on something. That tool can be also called khatam or a ring. So khatam is going to put khatam on something, and then we are going to have this form makhtum. Makhtum is going to be that thing which is going to get this khatam, is going to get sealed or closed or concluded after verification. Like Allah is verifying that their hearts have been closed by Allah. Allah is verifying that thing, so that's where Allah uses it, and that is where this khatmul nabeen also word comes. So in the case of khatmul nabeen, actually it is prophet. It is used for prophet. Khatamul nabeen. So khatamul nabeen uses this word. Khatamullah ala qulubihim uses this word. So remember this difference. Some people try to confuse this thing, because this is the seal, this is the sealer. This is not the seal, this is the sealer, the one who is going to seal something. This has the meaning of seal. Some people confuse this word with this word, and they say this is actually seal. Khatam is the sealer, is going to seal something. Khatam is actually the seal, and makhtum is actually that thing which is going to get sealed, right? And the next thing is akhirat, which is going to come at the back or at the end, or which is going to get delayed. That thing is called. And now finally this muntaha is also there. So muntaha, this end is actually which is going to stop something, stoppage, or finish something, or the end. So remember these differences. So thank you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Have fun.